sit down, please sit down. Hello everyone, today December 9, 2024, we are starting the winter session of Lok Sabha. Before starting our session, let's start with the Vande Mataram prayer song. Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufalam Maraya Sitaram Shashya Shamaram Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhra Jyotsna Pulatikayamini Pulla Kusumita Sumadura Shobhini Suhasini Sumadura Vasini Sukadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram. Please sit down. I wholeheartedly welcome to the House 2024 this session. I hope every member will maintain the dignity of the House and I hope this session will be fruitful. Today's session starts with the oath taken by the new members to take oath of affirmation. Secretary General.
Please, Priyanka Gandhi, who standard elected from Wayanad Constitution of Kerala. Would you like to take oath or affirmation, ma'am?
Oath.
In which language would you like to take oath, ma'am?
Hindi.
Please, ma'am.
Madam Speaker, मैं प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा जो लोकसभा की सदस्य निर्वाचित हुए हूँ सत्य निष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करती हूँ उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगी। जय हिंद। सब लोग मेरी धन्यवाद।
And we have got a positive response for it.
We all are public servants and no one has a right to waste people's money. So, I hope that every member will take note of this and move forward with cooperation between the ruling party and opposition party. First, I would like to inform our Prime Minister, the leader of the ruling party, to speak.
Greetings to all members of Lok Sabha. Madam Speaker, our government has successfully completed the 100-day period. Our Council of Ministers has been able to pass the effective laws during these 100 days. And we have introduced many welfare programs useful to the people and we have got a positive response for it. India has tied up with developed nations in order we have a relations with foreign affairs. India has got a recognition for platforms of making agreements. I assure you that our government will always be at the forefront in safeguarding of our country and we will also put our plans in this Lok Sabha session and presidential session will be successful. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Okay, now I request our Honorable Human Resource Minister to inform us about the development aspects of his department.
Madam Speaker, our India is a country with many different caste, races, religions, communities and traditions. Our government is taking steps to provide computer education. We have already provided almost 80% of the schools and more than 50% of the schools having internet facilities, Madam Speaker.
Everything the Education Minister telling is not true, Madam Speaker. Please sit down, I'll give you time, then you can speak.
So far, 80% of schools did not have least electricity collection, Madam Speaker.
Please be seated. Now the opposition members may ask questions to the Information Minister. Everything the education minister is saying is not true. The education minister to tell us how to provide internet without electricity. So far, almost 80% of government schools doesn't even have at least basic facilities. There's a shortage of teachers, not computers. First, tell them to appoint teachers in schools, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, if this opposition member opens her mouth, she will always try to bully the government with her lies.
Please sit down and let them speak in their time.
The liars are the devising people by showing things that are not there. You hide the fraud for a long time. How can you say that are multi-specialists? Here, without providing minimum requirement, our party always inform people about such frauds.
Please come. Please calm down. Please calm down. Okay, opposition members. All your questions will be answered in the next session. Now, I request our finance minister to inform us about the developments of our department.
Madam Speaker, India will now develop into a strong economy. SEZ. You know what is the meaning of SEZ? Let me say, you listen first. Special economic zones have been set up to speed up the economy. Our government are preparing many industries to attract foreign investment, Madam Speaker.
Please calm down. Please calm down.
All are fake or namesake industries.
Please sit down, please.
Care of others to fake industries are you and your parties.
Please sit down. If this is the way our valuable time will be wasted, please sit down. Now, I request Finance Minister to explain.
Madam Speaker, our government always take the lead in providing new jobs by creating new jobs with the foreign investment industries. Moving forward with our Prime Minister, Vikasit Bharat 2047.
Okay. Now, I am informing Minister of Railways to speak. Madam Speaker, the railway system in India is the cheapest means of transportation over long distance. The first railway line was laid in 1850 and now almost 50% of the villagers have a railway station.
2nd June 2023, 3 signs are collided in Balsar, Odisha. Who is responsible for this, Madam Speaker?
Please calm down. Please calm down. Your explanation for this question, Railway Minister. Sure, Madam Speaker. The train accident in Odisha, Balasur is very sad. We have to set up an investigation team to find out the reasons for these mistakes and making railway department more secure. Please sit down, please. Now, I request our Agriculture Minister to inform us about the development aspects of his field.
Madam Speaker, our government has introduced many schemes which are very helpful for the farmers. We are making sure that no farmer is committing suicide because of losses in farming. And this time crop is good and our farmers are very happy about it.
Such a false statement is, Madam Speaker. In the last meeting, the Agriculture Minister had told there is no rain for the farmers to have a good crop, and now he is saying that there is a good crop. How is this possible, Madam Speaker? And moreover, 80 farmers had passed for the government for their fake schemes.
What is your explanation, Agriculture Minister?
Sure, Madam Speaker, there is no need for us to part the false statements like you and your party.
Please sit down, please. Now, I request our Defense Minister to inform us about the developments of his department.
Madam Speaker, we have redefined our security and we are making sure that no one from outside are entering into the nation. We have tightened our military force and I am proud to say that we are number one in safeguarding the nation.
Madam Speaker, I think this Defense Minister has no shame at all. Exactly. Please sit down. Sorry. To display all these first achievements, how can he say that no one is entering our nation from outside? If that is the case, how come 50% of population from Bengal and Bihar are Bangladeshis?
Madam Speaker, she is trying to manipulate. Look, no one is here to embrace your fake words.
Please have some patience. Please sit down. Fake words? How can he say that these words are fake, Madam Speaker? He is saying fake words by claiming our nation in number one in safeguarding the nation. What responses will he give for the Manipur incident, Madam Speaker? And parade all through the roads. What will he say about this, Madam Speaker? Please sit down, please.
In response to this fair government, we have decided to walk out of this session. Ruling party! Ruling party! Ruling party! Ruling party! Ruling party! Ruling party! Ruling party!
Actually, this is a valuable time for the welfare of the people in the country. Most of the time we have wasted with arguments. I expect better and healthy debate between both sides will help tomorrow. So, the session is postponed for tomorrow. Let us conclude this session with national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे